Yeah, good day everyone. Go by name Skyward. Please, you can see this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, if you follow my video, you know I'm a affiliate marketing coach and I'm also a software developer. And over the years, through my experience in affiliate marketing, I have bagged a lot of experience and secrets that can make you a successful affiliate marketer. And one of it is that I have a software for sale now. The software is a affiliate marketing traffic generator. It works by gathering leads online from digital platforms and search engines and promoting your link or your platform to these leads. And I can guarantee you that you will have excellent sales. Like the example you can see on the screen, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and has been using it on his ClickBank affiliate marketing platform. And this is the result which the software gave him. He bought it on September 11 and he started using it on September 12. Yes, and I've been guiding him on how to go about it. And my video course is self-explanatory. Also, when you get my video course, you also get more secrets and more details and important information that can make you a successful affiliate marketer. So remember to get my software today and video course. You can always contact me on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com or text me through the number you can see on the screen on Telegram. Text me through my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com or text me through this number you can see on Telegram. Thank you.